Alright, what is up, boys and girls? Welcome back to another video. As always, thank you very much for joining me. I am Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, please do drop a like and subscribe to the channel. I've got an amazing giveaway for those who sign up to ByBit down below using my link. I've partnered with them to offer a free $500 trading position on their platform to do with as you choose. If you sign up in the next 70 days using my link down below in the description and deposit $100, I've personally used it to take a 3x leverage long on Dogecoin. And if it goes up and hits $1, which I think it probably will, I'll make around 15k for free, which is absolutely insane. So definitely worth checking out if you want to get involved in these markets. Down below in the description, just literally click the link and go through it. It takes like 2 minutes and you could be in with some big winnings if you guess right and trade correctly. So taking a look at XRP then on our daily time frame. Been a little while since we've looked at XRP, but really not that much to report. You can see we've put ourselves into a little range here. We did have potential inverse head and shoulders before here, which started to break out. But then, lo and behold, another SEC bullshit intervention in the markets has led to XRP coming down and testing its lows again, appealing the decision after the case was literally finalized and won. The SEC appealing the decision, probably trying to get more money out of Ripple Labs, basically just trying to swindle them. They've pretty much done nothing wrong, and the SEC knows it, but they're just trying to get one over on Ripple Labs while they can. Basically what's happened is that you can see very clean back down to the lows for support after that's happened. But overall, XRP putting in a very decent range here. You can see the high. I've got this huge deviation here, which I would have considered the low obviously down here, but then obviously we came back up, tested the highs, made another low here, which obviously coincided with this previous candle forming the range. The high and the low retested since then. Still consolidating under this huge coiling motion for XRP. You can see we have been coiling for an unbelievable amount of time at this point. 8 years in the making for the first huge coiling motion here, which obviously could break out towards $10, $20, $30 in my opinion once we get all of this finalized and head into the bull market. You can see we are probably in the final stages of coiling up here before a huge breakout to the upside. Not much to report for XRP apart from that. The daily time frame showing us we are pretty much in a range, going sideways and consolidating, basically waiting for Bitcoin, which is looking bullish to be fair, to head to the upside. So make sure to sign up to ByBit and get your 30k bonus down below. Massive prizes at the minute for depositing $100. BitTrue are also offering 50 USDT for depositing. Or if you're looking for a non-KYC self-custody exchange for trading, AlphaX down below in the description as well. And like and subscribe for more.